Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to link your crypto.com to DeFi Wallet. So the first step is just open your Play Store or App Store and then search for crypto on chain. So click on this one. So since I've already downloaded the application, it shows an open option right here, but you just really have to click on install if you haven't had the crypto.com on chain downloaded to your device. So just open it, and then once you install it, the wallet, open it, and after it will be able to see the screen. And then once you create a wallet on it, you just have to click on the settings icon at the top. So first, just go to the wallet at the bottom right and click on the settings at the top right. And then you can also click on here, the connect to crypto.com application. And then you just have to click these two check boxes and then tap on connect wallet. So once you tap on that, it will redirect you to a different website. Different page. So in here, you just have to enter your crypto.com application account email and then click on the send connection. So we'll just put here. And then after you click on that button, you just have to go ahead and go to your Gmail and look for this email like this. So once you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a connect button. So you just have to click on that. Now after you click on that, you will be asked to put here your passcode. So you just have to type in here your passcode. And then once you're done, just click on continue. Then after that, you will have to tap on this authorize and launch crypto.com on chain. And then it will automatically be linked to your DeFi wallet. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!